Hey, what's up, fellows? Yes, it's me. If you've been trying to learn IT, watching videos, taking notes, following tutorials, but deep down, you're starting to think, maybe this just isn't for me. I'm not smart enough. Maybe I just don't get it. Then you need to hear this. Because what you're feeling right now, that frustration, that confusion, and that self doubt is not because you're too dumb for IT. And if you stick around for this entire video, I'm going to show you exactly why you feel this way, why most people quit exactly at this stage, and what you need to do differently so you don't. Are you ready for this? Let's dig. I have worked with beginners, career changers, people with zero experience, and I see same thing over and over again. People don't fail in IT because they're not smart enough. They simply fail because they don't understand how learning IT actually works. And just because of that, they start doubting themselves. They think the problem is intelligence, when in reality, problem is their approach. So in this video, I'm going to break down why you feel not smart enough, what's actually happening when you get stuck, the biggest mistake the beginners make, and how to fix it starting today. Let me tell you something most people don't tell you. IT is not hard because it's complicated. It's hard because most of the people learning it the wrong way. That's it. Most beginners treat IT like school. Watch, understand, move on. But IT doesn't work like that. IT is not about knowing everything. It's about figuring out things. Let me give you a real example. A user says, Wi-Fi is connected, but there is no internet. Do IT professionals just know the answer? No. They check IP address, restart services, check connectivity, and Google things if needed. It's a process, not the intelligence. And stick around because what I'm about to show you is where most of the people go completely wrong. So let's talk about why you feel that way, because this part matters. Number one, you're learning something completely new. Everything feels unfamiliar. IP addresses, DNS, DHCP, Active Directory. Of course it feels hard. That's not being stupid. That's being a beginner. Number two, you're comparing yourself to others. You watch someone, they're fast, they're confident, and you think, oh, I'll never be like that. But what you don't see is they have struggled too. You're simply comparing your start to someone's experience. Number three, you expect instant understanding. You watch something once, you don't get it, and your brain goes, see, you're not smart enough. But the real learning looks like this. First time is confusion. Second time is partial understanding. And the third time is the charm when it clicks. That's normal. Number four, you're not practicing. And this is the big one. Let me be real with you. Some of you have been watching videos for months, but you have never actually practiced anything. And that's why nothing is sticking. Watching is not learning. Doing is learning. And in the next section, I'm going to show you the exact difference between people who stay stuck and the ones who actually break through. The people who succeed in IT are not the smartest one. They just do this differently. Number one, they try things immediately. Watch, apply. Unlike some people who just do watch, watch, and watch. Number two, they get comfortable being confused. They don't panic. They expect struggle. Number three, they think like problem solvers. Instead of, I don't get it, they ask, what can I test? Number four, they stay consistent. Not perfect, just consistent. This is where it happens. You've been learning, you're trying, but it still feels messy. And you think, this is not for me. But here's the truth. If you're here, you're actually closer than you think. Most people quit in IT before the things start to make sense. Now stick with me because I'm going to give you a simple system that you can follow. So you stop feeling lost and start to make progress. Step number one, focus on one thing. Stop jumping around. Step number two, apply immediately. Don't wait to fully understand. Step number three, break things. This is how you learn IT. Step number four, fix them. Google, test, Repeat. Step number 5. Track your progress. Write everything down. Step number 6. Stay consistent. 1 to 2 hours daily is enough. So let me leave you with this. You're not too dumb for IT. You're just uncomfortable. You're learning something new. And that confusion, that frustration, that's part of the process. The people who succeed in IT are not the smartest ones. They're the ones who don't quit. If today's content helped you, drop me a comment and tell me what part of IT are you struggling with right now. And if you want real guidance, subscribe because I'm going to help you get there step by step. Until next time, take yourselves and others around you, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.